we are in that world for a short moment. We may live freely and move easily in order to free to go everywhere in that short time, at least 120 years or in that world. You may live in the movement easily and in the healthy body. What are the conditions we are going today to see and easily exercise? Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel, which is helping you to master yourself in order to live in the longevity in the healthy body. I'm going to teach you the methods which will help you to understand your machine, because we human beings are a machine. So our notice is 5 steps. And when you perform our notice before using our machine, which are organisms, so I say in the first notice, we may choose how to eat. And the second notice, you may be able to eliminate, and right now we are talking about our thirst notice, in order to get out of you the things, the bad thing. Right now, we are going to see a simple exercise. We are able to do it at home, in your garden, and I advise you to do it in the group. When we are together, we can go far. When you are alone, you can speed, but together, you can go very far. And we are going to live in society, and we are going to gather each other in order to. And you are going to perform the other notice. Alors, we are going to do the shading to right now. So we are going to watch that video in order to understand easily. And we watch and we come back to talk about the driver. You can do it alone. You can do it with your wife. You can do it with children. You can do it with your neighbor. You can do it with your friends. You may do it in the group. It's very easy. So here is the shaving.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 5 les deux. 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on change. 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5.
It's very easy to do it, but you win each things. That's the shaving. And the shaving will help her to make strong our skin. And we may be able to make strong our skin in order to fight against the bad things around us. When you are making the shading, the heart, which is a magnet, will attract us. You may resist. Our muscle will resist. Our bones will resist. our skin will resist, so we become strong. And our organism will help us to get out of you the penicillin, the something in our stings. During the shaving, the fat which are in your muscle will melt out. They will get out of you during your perspirations. So the fat will get out of you by the sweat. You, human being, we may give us birth, will facilitate your child birth. So we will able to give children easily without any problem. So it will be easy for you to go to the hospital and to give your child and to come back to come home easily with your child or your children. So we'll give your birth in the right way, naturally, because the exercise will help us, will give us the resistance. You will resist, our muscle will resist, and you will get out of you the pernicious fat which are hiding in your muscle. So in the heart, in the rheumatism, there are also the pernicious disease which will get out of you when your fat will melt. And all of your organs will be strong. As your organs will function easily, you surely will have a longevity. You will do it everywhere in the open air, at home. You can do it together in the group. You can do it alone. And you may do it at least 20 minutes a day. And you will be very good. Have a good habit. You will be ability to move easily, and your organism will be okay. You will have a healthy body, so your organisms are very resist very well, and you can't move easily. Thank you for your listening. So my goal is your health, so you may move easily in that world and have at least 120 year old on that road. Thank you very much and see you soon.